often asked, if I had to start my coaching business all over again from scratch, what would I do? And so in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I would do if I had to start from scratch today. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle Hext here. Remember, I've been doing this 20 years online and 30 years in total. So I know my stuff. I know that if I had to start over again from scratch, I would be pretty successful pretty quickly, and I'm going to show you how you can do that too. All right, so what would be the very first thing that I would do? I would create my signature coaching offer. I would figure out, what am I really good at? What is it that I can deliver as an outcome? So what is the problem that I'm solving in the market? And I would get really creative about how I packaged it up. I would definitely start by charging premium prices. I wouldn't start at the low end. I know a lot of coaches say, I'm just going to charge a little bit, and then when I've got more experience, then I will charge more money, which is not what you need to do. I would start at the high end of the market because I know that when I charge more, people have more skin in the game. I get to give them more service, one-on-one service, and that means that they get better results. And I know that if I'm getting great results for my clients time and time and time again, then I know I'm going to build a reputation based on results. All right. So the first thing that I would do is figure out what is my signature coaching package, get really excited about selling it, learn how to articulate it really well, make sure that you feel excited and bulletproof about selling it. Get confident, make sure you're confident in your product. So that's the first thing. The second thing that I would do is I would be figuring out, well, how am I going to sell this thing? And I would know that in order to sell the thing that I want to sell, I need to be engaged with people. I need people to have a feel and a sense of what I do and how I do it. And I would be thinking, how am I going to sell people into this package? How am I going to show people how amazing I am and that they should work with me? And so I'm coming at this from the perspective of, because I'm starting again, I have no money. I have no money to spend on advertising. So you know what's free? Facebook. You know what else is free? Facebook groups. Open your group, and then you need to go out into the world and start inviting people into your group. So go into other free groups that allow you to promote it. Give yourself a little bit of time. Give yourself, 2 weeks or something like that. 10 days is probably max what I would do. But go into other groups, start inviting people that you know. The people that are coming into the group, get them to invite other people. Get together a cool group of people inside of a free Facebook group, and then wow them with your knowledge and expertise, your vibe. Just be of service to these people and show them what you're made of. Doesn't matter how many people you have in that group, treat them like gold, because that is what they are. So what you're going to do is you're going to deliver your content. It's going to make sense in relation to your offer, right? So let's talk about my 5K formula program, for example, 5K formula for coaches. If I was going to move people into a one-on-one coaching package or a group coaching program or something like that for the 5K formula, what I would do is run a 3-day masterclass on how to package and price, because I know human nature tells us that when we start digging into the content, they're going to be overwhelmed. They're going to be like, this is the best idea ever. I do want to create a $5,000 coaching package, but they won't do it a lot of the time. They need support. They need help. They always tend to feel like it doesn't matter what I pull together, it's never going to be good enough. All those human nature things, right? Which is why we need coaches, which is why we are coaches. And so you get to go in there, deliver the content. Make sure though, as I said, that your challenge makes sense in relation to your offer, right? And so what you're going to be doing inside the group, and as you're delivering content, and not even just on the last day, but you're going to be saying, for example, here's the content for today, amazing, go off and do it. If you want some help with that, or you want to have a chat with me about how I can help you do that, be sure to use the link below to book a discovery call. That's all you're doing. All the way through the training, all the way through your engagement, you're basically saying, let's do a discovery call. Let's jump on a call. Let's have a conversation about how I can help you. And then from there, you turn those discovery calls into sales. Now, if you freak out about discovery calls, check out wherever it is, check out the link that takes you to my discovery call training. And the reason that I do discovery calls so well, and I teach my clients to do discovery calls so well, is because I sucked so badly at discovery calls. They freaked me out. I was awkward, so awkward doing discovery calls. It was a mess. And then I discovered the path of least resistance when it came to doing discovery calls. And now my conversion rate is over 90%. So go watch that training if you're freaking out about that. But they're the 3 things. Develop your product. Get clear about that. So notice I didn't say, go build your website, go and make sure, you've spent all this money on a website or all this time on a website. You don't need a website. It would be great if you had one, but if you don't have a website, your first port of call is not to go build a website, because that's going to take time. I want you making money now, today. The sales are going to come from the conversations that you have with people, not because you've got a website, right? So we're not going to get sidetracked with that. What we're going to do is say, this is my package. I'm going to run a challenge. And I know that if I run this challenge and do it really, really well, and the people are really engaged, people are going to want to talk with me. And then when I have those conversations with people, then I know that a percentage of those people are going to become sales, and they're going to become my clients. Just keep it really, really simple. Remove emotion from it other than excitement. Get excited about it and go forward and do it. And I promise you, if you do this and you get people into your free challenge and you do it really, really quickly, within 2 weeks, you could have your first clients or a bunch of clients. If you have questions, please put it in the comments. I would love to be chatting with you in the comments section. So let's get that happening. Let's get the comments section the place to be, the place to hang out, the place to have some really good conversations. And I promise that I will respond to every single comment. All right, that is it. I'll be back very, very soon. Bye for now. Good luck. Go do it.